If you are building a SaaS website, getting the structure right is critical. Your website is not just a digital presence, it's your strongest sales tool. If it's confusing, slow, or lacks the right sections, potential customers will leave within seconds. But when designed properly, it drives signups, increases conversions, and builds trust. In this video, I will break down exactly what makes a SaaS website effective, and while I explain, you will see examples of each section on the screen so you can visualize how it all comes together. And to make it even easier for you, I'm offering a free Figma wireframe of the perfect landing page layout. You can download it from the link in the description and use it as a reference while building your own SaaS website. So here is what we will cover. We will go through all essential sections, starting from hero section, then moving through the value proposition, features, case studies, pricing, testimonials, and all other critical parts. By the end, you will have a clear roadmap to create a SaaS website that does not just look good but actually converts. I have worked with many SaaS businesses, and the same issues keep coming up: unclear messaging, missing trust signals, and complicated pricing pages. A great SaaS product with a poorly structured website struggles to grow, but when you structure it correctly, the impact is huge. Hey, I'm Ansif. I'm a Webflow and framework developer helping businesses build high-converting websites. If you are looking to create or optimize your SaaS website, this video will help you understand exactly what needs to be done. Let's start with the most important section, your hero section. When someone lands on your SaaS website, they need to immediately understand what your product does. Your headline should be clear and direct. Avoid vague or overly creative phrases. Your sub-headlines should support it by reinforcing the main benefit of your product. The call to action should be strong and easy to spot, like start free trial or request a demo. And the product visual, whether it's a screenshot, animation, or short demo, helps make the value clear in seconds. Next, the value proposition. This is where you explain why your SaaS is better. People don't just need to know what your product does. They need to know why they should care. What problem does it solve? How is it different from competitors? Your messaging should be specific. Instead of saying AI-powered automation, say reduce manual work by 80% with AI-driven task automation. Clarity sells. Now let's move to the features section. This is where most SaaS websites go wrong. A common mistake is listing features without context. Instead of just saying seamless integrations, explain how it connects with tools users already use. Keep the descriptions short and use visuals, icons, screenshots, or short demo videos to showcase how each feature actually works. Some SaaS products need how it works section, especially if they are not self-explanatory. If users might struggle to understand your tool, a quick visual walkthrough can help. A 3-step process works well here. Something like connect your data, customize your workflow, automate your tasks. Keep it simple and clear. Now, trust is a huge factor, which is where testimonials and case studies come in. People don't sign up a SaaS product just because it looks good. They sign up because they trust that it works. Customer testimonials add credibility. Thought results-driven quotes are best. Instead of great software, I love it, something like we automated 80% of our workflow and saved 10 hours a week is far more convincing. Case studies go even deeper, showing real customer success stories. And if well-known competitors use your product, their logos should be displayed. This builds instant credibility. If your product has independent reviews on platforms like G2 or Capterra, linking to those adds even more trust. The pricing page. This is where either you win or lose conversions. Many SaaS companies make pricing overly complicated. Keep it clear and upfront. Don't make users click multiple times to see how much your product costs. So the different plans side by side, use a comparison table if needed, and highlight the most popular plan. Offering a free trial or a money-back guarantee can help reduce hesitation. Another section that's often overlooked is resources section. Educational content builds trust. Blog posts, guides, or webinars don't just help users understand your product, they also improve SEO and position your brand as an authority in the space. If you have an FAQ section, this is where you address common concerns, pricing doubts, security questions, integration details, anything that might stop users from signing up. The call to action. This should be everywhere, not just in the hero section. Your primary CTA should be clear and repeated throughout the page. Whether it's a sign up for free or schedule a demo, make sure it's easily accessible. The footer should also include a final call to action along with the key links, contact information, and trust building elements elements like privacy policies and terms. And About Us section can also add credibility. SaaS brands often focus entirely on the product and forget to humanize the business. Sharing your story, mission, and team helps build trust and makes your brand more relatable. When all these sections come together, you get a high converting SaaS website. Each part plays a role. Your hero section captures attention, your value proposition sells the product, your features and case studies build trust, and your pricing page removes friction. When structured correctly, your website does not just look good, it drives real business growth. And to make this easier for you, I'm offering a free Figma wireframe of this exact SaaS landing page layout. You can download it from the link in the description and use it as a reference when designing your own SaaS website. If you are building a SaaS website and want to make sure it's optimized for conversions, I have worked with many SaaS businesses to create high-performing sites in Webflow and Framework. If you need help, check out the contact link in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I love to hear your thoughts.